Well, hello everyone. Today we're explaining the development organization for the nervous system. Part number one, the organization. It's the impulses go to the sensory divisions, meaning the afferent, then go to the central nervous system, consists of brain and the spinal cord. Then motor divisions, meaning the afferent. Motor division in this stage have two divided: somatic division, autonomic division. Somatic division have the skeletal muscles, and autonomic division have the gland. Number two, the development of the nervous system. First of all, it begins at the third week of the embryonic development. Then the outer layer or the ectoderm will become inward and creating something called a neural palate. This neural palate will be coming inward and consists some groove, and this is a groove called neural groove. Okay, the neural groove will have the lateral side, and this lateral side will be go upwards and like fuse together and become something. It's big a neural tube, and this is a neural tube, or this is the palate things or the lateral side. At the third of the week, at the third week, will be fused together very strongly, and it creates something called a neural palate. When at the end of the fourth week, yes, and this is a neural tube. Will be have three primary vesicles and five secondary vesicles. Okay, this is the three butterflies. It consists of primary vesicles. It's meaning forebrain, midbrain, and hindbrain. Forebrain will consist the size swollen, dice swollen. Midbrain will have the mean swollen. Hindbrain will be have the mean swollen and malin swollen. And I will just like tell you something very important. It's meaning like at the end of the 11th week, the baby will be have the brain similar as we have right now. And that's all. Thank you for watching.